Welcome to Incredible Lab channel, and in today's video I am going to show you how to enable data saver mode in your Android phone. So at first swipe from top to bottom and then tap on this gear icon to open up your settings app. Now from here go to connections. After that go to data usage option, and here you can see data saver option, then just tap here and that's it. Now by tapping here you can enable data saver option. And it's done. You can see in my phone data saver mode has been enabled successfully. Now if you go to home screen and then swipe from top to bottom, then tap on this pencil icon, then tap on edit, then you have to find data saver option from here. That's it. Then just touch and hold it and drag it to the here, then tap on done and it's done. Now if you swipe from top to bottom, and here you can see data saver mode has been added on the status bar. Now you can also enable or disable data saver option from here. Then just tap on agree and that's it. And that is how you can enable data saver option in your Android phone. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe.